jacket. Go. Push. There you go. He's helped me bleed the brakes today. Push. All right, buddy. Let me help out. Alright guys, here's my faithful shop companion, Layton. He's going to help me bleed the brakes. We're going to pop the hood so we can verify we got plenty of fluid in the reservoir, which I've already done. But we need to be able to keep an eye on it. Keep that up. So what's going to happen is, I'm going to loosen the seal on the farthest brake, so the back passenger side. And when I tell him, he's going to push the brake. So Layton, the brake is the middle one, okay? See the middle one down there? So there's one right there. It's that one. And you're going to push it as hard as you can all the way down when I tell you to, okay? It's got to go all the way. Like, can you push hard? Push hard. All the way. Hard. Okay. Is that as hard as you can go? Yeah. All right, we're going to try it, okay? So when I tell you to, do that, and you're going to hold it until I tell you to let go, okay? Okay. All right. I kind of neglected filming this one because I was trying to see if my son could even do it. And we got fluid coming out. So there was definitely like 3 pumps of nothing. So it's definitely good to see that we got, I think, the air out. At least most of it. I'll probably have to do this again, but that's fine. This is, I think there might be it looks like I've got a brake line problem over here. Possibly. Or something leaking on the axle. Anybody know what that is? Or something leaking on the rear wheel. Looks like oil. So it's hard to see, but I've got my, my Maddox behind me. I got my 7mm. We're gonna go ahead and just get this one started open. The bleeder valve.
Hi.
Okay, back up, Maddox. Not yet. Almost.
Hi.
Alright, hold on, Layton. Alright, Layton, now. Hard. Hard, hard, hard. Nope, don't touch, Maddox. So Layton's pressing inside the car. Don't touch. Alright, you holding it? Alright, hold on. We're gonna just hand tighten it. That should be good enough. Alright, Layton. Let go. Alright. I'm gonna loosen it again. I know we're letting a little bit of air in each time, but that's okay. And we're gonna put the cap over so it catches whatever comes out. Press it.
Okay.
Hard. Pressing?
Yes.
Okay. Still nothing yet. I'll tighten it back down. Alright, let go. Alright. Hold on. It's alright. Maddox wants to help. Alright, Layton, not yet. Now, press hard. Pressing hard? Alright. Keep holding it. Still nothing in this line yet. Alright, let go. I think we're getting close, son. Looks like stuff's starting to come out. Press it.
Okay.
Press hard. Hard. Oh, it's starting to come out.
Just let me keep pressing it.
Alright, there we go. You pressing?
Yeah. Matt, stop pressing something.
Keep pressing. We're actually getting fluid out this time. That's a good sign. Alright, Layton, you can stop. Let's do it. Yeah, let's try it one more time. Hold on.
Okay, I'll press it.
Not yet. All right. Press. Press hard. Pressing hard. All right. Good. All right. Oh yeah, I think we got it. Let's go check the reservoir, see how it's sitting. All right, so we got the car. What we did, bled the brakes. There's Maddox. Layton, let the car down slowly. Twist it this way. This way. Need help? Don't drop it on my foot. Just like this. Yep, ready? Help me twist.
No, ow!
There it goes. There we go, then it's down. And then the last thing to do before we move is check out the brake reservoir. See how much fluid we got in here. We did go down a little bit. I might still have some air in the lines. It didn't go down too much, but it did get down a little bit. Let's go in starter. Warm up a bit. Stay back, man. Slow drive through the neighborhood. Testing out the new brake, or the type of brakes. Still gotta bleed the front.
I hope we see a Mustang on the way, Daddy.
Should be. Ready, stop? Let's stop.
Yeah. See? Stop.
Brakes are definitely working better. We still need to bleed the front. Lane, you can help me do the front.
Look at all those power wheels. Look at that. Oh, here comes a Mustang. Oh no, that's a good one.
All right, so Layton did a great job.
Hi.
The braking is remarkably improved, and my hair's all over the place because of this wind, but remarkably improved. Definitely have more confidence. Sorry, like I said, I still definitely have more confidence in it. But like I said, I was trying to say, definitely gonna have to bleed the front still. The front's biting. You can see the rotors where it's actually hitting, but it's not like the full force. You can tell. But I can definitely, I'm not as worried about stopping at a light anymore, or or if I had to stop in an emergency. So Layton, thank you for your help.
Hey, Daddy, I fixed this side.
He did good. Going?
Yeah.
FTV hat on. Pick up the park. Is that it?
Yeah.
All right, go to the back. We're gonna rev it some.
Oh, yeah. Now rub it some. See some smoke out. But you can't see it on the camera. Okay, bye.